Ducharme, drop back off, Malatesta. Near point, long shot through, rebound in front, it's loose. The Rayfuse hammers away at it, and Welsh.
Accepté dans le territoire des Highlanders. Boucher passe devant, le tir, arrête Welsh au retour, arrête Welsh en nouveau sur côté. Et il y aura plus de sortie de zone Québec sur l'aile gauche à Sutton, il accélère, tente de battre Vesterinen, voilà qui est fait. Sutton, avec le tir, oh bel arrêt de Welsh avec la jambière gauche.
Here's McLeod on the fringe. Again, it's 4-on-4. Stick hands in front. Shot. Oh, what a stop! Lightning with the legging is going to be Matty Welsh. Another
night, but
splitting. Here's Sutton in. Save made. Kick save and a beauty. I'll tell you what. Pad perfect off the right side. Across the ice for Egan. Now Egan. And now stepping in. Here's going to be an attempted. Oh, my goodness. Golden with the glove. What a save. Courage. Seconds left. Here's going to be Boucher right off in front. There's. Oh, what a stop. Showtime save made by the...
Boucher bataille profondément en zone ennemie, bataille avec Vesterinen. Boucher à la berge derrière le filet. Passe pour Kourachev, le tir à bout portant. Un bel rôle le long de la ligne bleue. Grouchy descend profondément, tente de se défaire de King. La passe pour Mathieu. Quel arrêt de Welsh! Et il n'y aura pas de retour. Mathieu a habilement saisi le disque avec le patin, ramené la rondelle sur la lame de son bâton. Surnomme les remparts. 3 contre 1. Kourachev en contrôle à McLeod. À Kourachev, à McLeod. Le tir. Quel arrêt de Matthew Welsh encore une fois avec la main gauche. Les remparts ont télégraphié là.
Halifax going 4 for 19 in that first round matchup. Quick pass out for Lavoie. He'll rip one on net, and that's stopped. Moynihan. A quick pass up for Lavoie, making his way in on the backhand, and he's robbed. As Barron sent it up to Grew and just threw the legs to Barron. McIsaac toward the net for Perron, and what a stop right there from Matt Welsh. Perron
quickly now, Sampi, he charges back the other way. Coming late, there's Zadina fires. Oh my goodness, Hollywood.
Nakis derrière, vers Edmondon, on lui laisse l'ouverture au filet. Tire, c'est bloqué par Welsh. Il n'y aura pas de retour là-dessus. Petite zone de Lavada. Oh, belle remise à 2, on s'en aime. Alain laisse la rondelle derrière. Barry Boulet. Et quel arrêt de Welsh.
Chops at it off the yellow kick plate. Trying to feed it in front. There's a shot. Nets up. Oh, what a stop! What a stop! Putting up the brick wall. Holy moly!
Réussi à ramener vers la ligne bleue. Attention, rondelle perdue. Qu'est-ce qui s'échappe? On tente d'aller le rejoindre. Une feinte. Le tir. C'est bloqué par Welsh.
Et protéger son avance avec plus d'aisance.
Oh, attention, on lève le tir. Quel arrêt de Welsh!
Fouille quelque peu, et au centre, voilà Thomas Etier qui va s'amener. Il est seul devant Welsh. Etier, la feinte, le tir, et bel arrêt de Welsh, la jambière droite. And really took it to the next level in the
now,
playoffs.
Stepping in, here's going to be Francis into the goal, takes a shot, and running him out of a net. Here's going to be an opportunity for Proulx, back for Bure off the goal line. Cross crease, pad save made. Nice stop. Off the left circle, backsides it for Boucher, center point Villeneuve. Going top for Charlie DeRoche. That's open, save made. Great.
And Eagles defenders came into the scrum after the penalty was called, so faceoff comes into the neutral zone. Puck dumped in on Welsh. Campbell, well, a shot and a save made there by Welsh as Welsh went to play it. He didn't get the...
Yaziev à la ligne bleue. Yaziev jusqu'à Aude. Aude jusqu'à Lapierre. À Aude. L'ouverture, un tir. L'arrêt de Welsh. Derrière à Kotkov. Kotkov la fin devant. Nos. Un autre arrêt. Rochette. Excellent patineur. S'amène à toute vitesse devant Welsh. Frein du revers. La feinte. Et c'est l'arrêt de Matthew Welsh. Du revers qui reprend. En fond de territoire jusqu'à Aude. Aude devant le filet. Nos. La feinte. Le tir. Un bel arrêt de Matthew Welsh.
Joseph, though, didn't give him anywhere to shoot. Now back to the point. Sansfason to Drolet. What a stop!
He'll step in. Brickell to the goal. Goaltender down. Save made by Matty Welsh. Isles win. 6-5.
Devant le filet, le tir n'a pas réussi à tirer. Ah, et là, sur le retour, Robert est volé par Welsh.
2-on-3 for Moncton. In a 2-1 hockey game. Wide to the left side. Pataki in front. There's a shot. Oh, my goodness. I'll tell you.
3 to go. Villeneuve, high shot that one well over top of the goal. Sags will wait. Hood, backdoor, Kotkov right on. And what a save. Welsh, he reads that one. There's a rebound in front. Good save made by Welsh. He'll find it once again.
It's knocked aside by Matt Welsh, low to the glove side. There's Francis again now from 55 feet high off the left wing. Right circle for Kalmakoff, board side. The other. Oh, what a save! Kick save and a beauty. Spin in off that left wing. Going to be interesting come trade deadline time. Stealing. Oh, what a save made by Welsh. I think he got on that long bomb right side and in. Benoit Gruel He shoulders there with Budgel. Sends it off in front. There's a shot again. A great save made. There's McLeod looking for Aslan again. Former T10. There's a shot. Oh, pad save. Pad perfect coming across. There's going to be Samuel Aslan coming late. Higgins. Oh, my goodness. I'll tell you what. Golden zone high off that center point. Puck is ripped away. Massey doesn't control. Xavier Fortin doesn't either. Now back in again. Campanelli right off it. Net's open. Oh, what a stop. What a stop.
Able to recover there, but puck turned over. Aslan busting in with Morad to Aslan. A shot and a big stop from Matt Welsh right there.
Keeping in his bear, and there's a shot. Puck is loose. Stick side. Pad save made off the right pad. This one again. Looks for Bocage. Back again now for Dobson. Dobson, top of the right circle. He will dish it off. In on the fringe. Peter Abindonato. There's a shot. Two save made. Lightning with the legging. Low blocker side. Game-saving stop by Matty Welsh.
Saisir et amorce la sortie de territoire pour les siens par la rampe du côté droit. Au centre, c'est bon pour Dubé, ça mène en zone ennemie. Dubé la fête, le tir, arrête Welsh, il n'y aura pas de retour. Matthew Welsh a suivi le joueur des remparts tout le long. Dubé a...
C'est remis dans l'enclave, mauvaise passe. C'est Heinen qui va en profiter, qui va y aller d'un dégagement complet. Voilà Teasdale qui sera le premier sur la rondelle. Teasdale va remettre...
High to the left point, Lowen steps in, tries to get the shot through. The Ferrier 3-on-1 for Cape Breton. No scoring in the hockey game. Here they come. Here's going to be across. Oh, what a save made! Pad perfect! What a stop! Best save of the hockey game. Matty Welsh doesn't get by the Islanders' blue line. Here's going to be Johnston. He'll hand it back now for Hunter Drew. Now bad bounce off in front. Backhand shot. Back in again. Comtois right off in front. Save made and a beauty with a cross crease pass. And coming glove to blocker's side. Nails it. That dragged along the yellow kick plate high to the right point. Simoneau back for Joseph. Ludes up. Save made. Telescoping out on the stick side will be the goaltender Al Welsh. No rebound. William Villeneuve hands it back for DeRoche through center ice. Here he comes. Head faking in. Tries to get the shot away. The puck rolled off in front. Save made by Welsh. Coming across. Rebound. Puck is still loose. Left here in the second period. In front, stealing, stacking up the pads is going to be Matty Welsh. Up off the right side, trying to drive in. Going to the goal. Goaltender's down. The save made. Trying to get it and lift it through center ice. Onside is Waugh. Play will continue on. He's in free. Save made. Rebound right off in. Cannot handle it cleanly. Charging back the other way. Highland down the right wing. Short-handed to the goal in front. Oh, big time stop. Big time stop there by the goaltender.
Il est impeccable et on vient de le voir encore une fois. Louis-Jean remet facilement au côté. Roy s'échappe. Charles-Antoine Roy contre Welsh. Roy s'amène le tir. Bloqué par la jambière.
Eric Gentile has a chance to make the fans do the opposite. He'll veer all the way right. Let's go the puck. Reclaims it. What does he have in store here? Gentile digging. Head fake save made by Welsh. And that is on the right side. Now Kyle Hovlina moves it out towards center. Campbell. For LaFrance. Here's LaFrance. Pass for Campbell. A shot. Oh, a stop by Welsh. Campbell.
Cormier comes back. Rookie defenseman. He doesn't get it out. Rysek's got some options. McLeod in front. Hey, what a glove save by me in the pro level as well. Drew, a pass. He spotted Durando. He dekes. Another great save from Welsh.
Boudria, he knocks it down. Everybody in back. Rear view by Ballas. Goaltender's down. Oh, what a save! Wysentay with the legging. What a stop. Glove side. Matty Welsh. Look back. Still loose stick side. Into the slot. Bowman's with the grab. Oh, my goodness. Holy. Blue line. Here's LaFerriere trying to drive back in again. 50 seconds left. Bowman's with a drive. Save made.
Shot. A good block there by Liam Payton. Now the puck thrown out towards front of the net. Edwards trying to clear. Now Forrest with it again. Forrest backhand. Shot. Saving rebound. Oh, it goes over the net. Ryan
right wing steps in from 35 feet. In front. Save made by Welsh. Puck is loose. And it's Gerard Free.
Play it back up top to Kite. Whistles one wide. Barinka spins. Dubé to Peters. And what a save from Matt Welsh. My goodness. An incredible stop right there from the Halifax native.
Riley Kidney s'amène. Veut le mettre devant le tir. Quel arrêt de Matthew Welsh qui a frustré le joueur du Titan. Quel arrêt du gardien de but des Islanders.
Going to the corner with anyone. Battling forward, Alexi Arsenault. Airmails that one out the center. He'll try to get it ahead. Vincent Marlowe throws it in front. Here's Valgura. Backhand save is made. Welsh for Bocage. Cormier ties his man up. It comes to the blue line. Arsenault shot. That one gets blocked. There's a bouncing puck. Welsh down and out, but is able to get a glove on it. As the Huskies on the back door. It's going to be...
Down down for Trepanier. He's got 2 in the afternoon. Trepanier, top of the slot, drops it for Groulx. They're looking for Lavoie on the back door. They'll give it to him. Lavoie fires a shot. That one hit a shin pad. Rebound. Oh, Welsh gets a glove on that. They
intercepted. Baker now for Gentile. Gentile coming in alone. Joban chasing. Gentile goes back and shooting. Save made there by Welsh.
À la pénalité des Islanders. Arsenault sur l'aile gauche. Armi Rouleau qui a de la vitesse. Il entre avec vitesse à l'adversaire. Se fait l'entrée le défenseur. C'est là au gardien. Il lance. Le gardien bloque. La rondelle est libre. Dégagé vers Rouleau.
As here's a chance for Francis. Puck's up in the air and it's batted away. There's another chance for LaRose and a save made by Hamel, the defenseman. For Lafrance. Now LaFerriere for Kalmakov. Coming up the left wing. Coming in past Hamel. Kalmakov deking. Shot wide. Penalty coming up here. The arm is up. And then
in the crowd tonight, cheering on Mark and the Wildcats. Pelche from the left side shoots. That's blocked. Now Rumsey centers. Oh, nice pad save.
Lafrenière le long de la rampe. Jusqu'à Béliveau. On fait circuler. À Paré. À Béliveau. À Lafrenière. La transversale est bonne. Un tir sur réception. Et tout un déplacement. Droite.
And LaPena stands tall on that. End-to-end action. Fodor back up. Michel. Feed to the middle. That one redirected and Welsh will make the save. And riverboat gambling on both ends of the ice, and it results in both goaltenders making chest saves.
Rejoindre Proulx au centre. Proulx vers Fortier. Son adversaire 2 contre 1. Proulx le tir et Welsh qui est spectaculaire.
Les juges de ligne à la ligne rouge. Abramov va le signaler, s'élance. Prend la rondelle au centre. Ça mène face au gardien. Abramov, une feinte. Son tir. Arrêt de Welsh.
Less than a minute to go on the power play. McKenna for Spence. Back to McKenna. One-timer. Pad saved by Welsh.
From that line, Court.
Yeah, they've been great. They've been the best line here tonight so far. Is Dubé to the outside of Trudeau. Dubé to the backhand. Big save made by Welsh.
So the Islanders try to get back into it. Now Steele, and here's Gentile steps in. Save made. Big time stop. Timely save by Welsh.
Takes the feed from Darash, carries over the line. Chagovic hustling down the right side. Chagovic in front for Stairs, and his shot is stopped by
25 seconds. Ivanov got some room coming down the wing. Ivanov gets a slash by McQuaid.
Off of Jones toward the middle. Good poke right there. Jolie coming in short-handed. Jolie a shot and a big stop from Welsh. Work down low here for the Mooseheads. Tries to roll off of his check. Makes his way up the boards back to Donaldson a shot. Chance in front for Myron and Welsh shot. Up the right wing. Toner gets it back. A shot pad save by Welsh. Jones following up. And
on right wing. He'll bring the puck in. Coming, hitting the trailer. Robert steps in. Telescoping out. Top of the crease. Save made. My mount back up again. Countering the other way. Here's going to be Robert. He tries to drive to the goal. Toe save made. Off the right pad. Rebound again. Puck is loose to the glove side. Scramble.
Campanelli. Dans l'enclave. On remet devant le tir et Garty Aubin. Un beau déplacement latéral pour le gardien Welsh.
Jay Gagner to Engelhardt. Engelhardt kicks out ahead to his stick. He's over the blue line looking for the trailer. That's Cologne. Cross ice now for Jay Gagner in close. Shot on goal, but Welsh there to make the save and hold on for the faceoff. I don't think Cologne.
And that'll be stopped by Grimard trying to punch it out. Onside. Here's going to be Boudria. He's in freight to the backhand. Toe save made. That one. Laser-like with the legging down. Blockers free. LaFerriere plays it across. Stepping in off the left face-off. In front. Big door pass. Save made by Welsh. He'll hold on. Pad perfect. Coming across.
Fires that one. Another save made by Welsh. Rebound off the side of the goal. As the Isles can't clear. Dubé shot right on and Welsh. Shutting the door here for the Isles.